Alright, what's up, stoners? Welcome to the local band Smokeout.
Hey, this is Lance and Carl from Childlike Empress, and you're watching local band Smokeout. Yeah.
Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to another local band Smokeout. I'm your host is High the Most BG. I just woke up like 20 minutes ago, jump on YouTube, and the first thing I see is we got brand spanking new Hail the Sun. I'm excited. What? I love this band. They're awesome. This one's called Mind Reader. If you're unfamiliar, they're out of Chico, California originally. They're basically like a post-hardcore band, but it's a lot more than that. You'll see here in a second. Facebook.com/Hail the Sun. Please support the band any way possible. Go there, hit the like button, the follow button. If they have a support button, please hit the support button for them. And please consider also clicking the subscribe button for this channel so you never miss any of these reactions. And spark it up, you got it. This is Mind Reader from Hail the Sun.
Into secret, I only trust me to keep it. The calls I get, scream all at once.
Donovan's such a good vocalist, man. We've actually tried to get him on the show before. Didn't work out timing wise. We even tried to get their guitarist, and he also had the same valid excuse saying that they were working on what I believe is this album coming out soon, so they didn't have time. But hopefully we can set that up in the future. I've seen them live twice. It's a fantastic live show.
Switch the phone back to silent. Hope that you'll never notice. The soul from your tongue sticks to my neck. In the best kind of way, make your
I love all the silhouette style video too. It's really artsy, artistic. Guitars, quite awesome as usual. Expected. Donovan's so good too at layering his vocals, like harmony wise. It just has such good harmonies on every song they have. It's unbelievable. They're so consistent. Dope guitar solo. His voice is so good. I just can't get over it sometimes. His voice is so good. Like you're. I really like this video. didn't know if that was gonna be it or not. Such a cool music video with the way they did it with all the silhouettes and stuff. It's fantastic. Of course, their production's on point. Equal Vision always kills it with the production for their artists. Harmonies just amazing. Melodies from Donovan fantastic. The guitar was really good. Drums sounded great. But I think that my favorite part of this was just how cool the video is. I don't think I've seen one where it is such an artistic way of showing silhouettes on the walls and interacting with them and stuff. It's really, really cool. I like the line, the salt from my tongue sticks to your neck. That's kind of interesting lyric. Overall, I think I'm gonna go 10 out of 10. I really like that a lot. I'm gonna be jamming that song all day. Hail the Sun, Mind Reader. Holy shit. It's a banger. It's a no-brainer, 10 out of 10 for me. I've been a huge fan of theirs for years and years, as well as Cianvar, and just really everything Donovan does. He's just superb, and hopefully we can get him on the show for a short interview in the near future. Please support them at Hail the Sun on Facebook. Please also consider clicking the subscribe button for me so you never miss these reactions, of which we've done almost 5,000 of them by now, which is crazy. I'm also live on Twitch 5 times a week, 3+ hours a day, twitch.tv/localbandsmokeout. Please stop by, especially if you like guests, prizes, trivia, punishments, all kinds of stuff like that. We give away a ton of free merch. Plus, we check out about 80 to 100 artists a day, any genre over there. So stop by, make a request, we'll jam it. Other than that, though, I am your host who's higher than most, BG, saying cheers, keep blazing,
Smoke weed every day.
and peace. I'll catch you guys next time.
Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Gypsy Lee.
I'm Matt Gerber, and we are Scarlet and Harmony.
For fans of bands like Die Artist Murder,
Infinite Annihilator,
Lorna Shore,
Fit for an Autopsy, please feel free to check us out at Scarlet and Harmony on YouTube, Spotify, and anywhere else you may stream music.
we'd really appreciate it. Hope you meet them.